Please understand when I say content developer, not only am I talking about content for your students, but I'm talking about content that you, the parent, can create also. I'm talking about content that you, the individual, if you need to create content for anyone, then you can do it. Our first program, Adobe Express. One of the best things about being a content developer is when you find programs that will not only allow you to create content, but also allow you to schedule content, you cannot go wrong. Here in Adobe Express, I'm going to come down to schedule here. What I'm then going to do is here I can add all of my new social media content that I want to add. I can also click on connections here and you can link up all of your social media content. So once you've done that, what you can then do is you can start scheduling your content to go out when you want your content to go out on all the different platforms that you're connected to. You can then know that your students will get the content that you want them to get when you want them to get it.